Yes, sir. From today onwards, we are going to work with POSC. This is heart of the EWM, process oriented.
Sir, pack spec is not completed, I think.
Okay, before the VAS, so we can do that. Yeah,
Okay, sir.
yeah. Process oriented storage control. Okay. What is the process oriented storage control and how we can use within the EWM? We can check now. Controlling the storage process wise. Controlling the storage process wise. If we read from the right side, there is a meaning controlling the storage process wise. We are going to do what are the processes. Okay, as of now, against our inbound delivery, we are doing the GR put away. We are doing the GR and put away. Okay, and say for example, I want to track unloading activities and put away activities separate. I want to track. Okay, say for example, I want to do my inbound like this. First unload, then put away. If we see here, two processes are incorporated within this. Two steps. One is unload, another one is put away. One is unload, another one is put away. These are called external steps. These are called external steps. If I am using external word, something is there in internal. Something is there in internal. That story we can see. Okay. Say first I want to unload, next I want to do put away. I want to do put away. This is my process against my inbound delivery with these multi steps. These multi steps. Okay. This thing, the set of multi step movements are calling as a POSC. Definition wise, a set of multi steps, sequential setup. We add this also. A sequential setup, multi step movements is a POSC. A sequential set of multi-step movements is a POSC. Coming to the above example, unload plus put away is the sequential. Not put away, then first put away, then unloading. It's not possible. First unload, then we do the put away. We cannot do first put away, then unload. Okay, like. And requirements. For every step, we require source plus destination. For every step, source and destination we require. Say, coming to the unload, what is the source? Door. What is the destination? GR staging area group. For put away, what is the source? GR staging area. What is the destination? Final win. Correct. Correct. This is the setup. This is the setup. Okay. Multi steps are there. Every step is having one source and a destination. Just like, say, for example, I want to travel from Hyderabad to Bangalore. First, I want to get down at Kurnool and catch another bus. Means for the, if we see this total journey is from Hyderabad to Bangalore. door to final bin is the total journey, but in between we have one intermediate point are there. In our case, in the first session, we are going with a simple 2 steps only. In future, I can add more and more steps in between these those. Coming to the inbound side, the first is the unload, the last is the put away. Okay, this thing. Then where we can maintain this within the system, how we maintain the source and destinations, how we trigger this POSC to our products, we can check within the system. Some rules are there. HU is the mandatory. In the form of HUs, only we can use the multi-step movements. That is nothing but the POSC, process-oriented storage control, not for the loose products. In the form of HUs, that is possible. Then what is the use? Why we are going with the POSC? What is the use for the business? Why can't they go with normal put away and these things? Okay, say for example, I want to track how many unloading tasks are there with me, how many resources are required for me. Out of those resources, how many workers are completing those unloading activity on time, how many resources are not working on this thing. That is one side. And another side, how many workers required for me put away. Okay, and how many pending warehouse tasks with me, open warehouse tasks, how I can plan, how I can calculate their efficiencies, utilizations, etc. etc. Everything is possible through this POSC if we go with the labor management. Okay, this is the uses. And I want to track when it is unloaded, when it is loading, when the unloading is started, when the unloading is ended. Everything we can track within the system through this POSC. Through this POSC. Okay, this thing. And the mandatory thing is HU is mandatory. Without HUs, there is no POSC. This is the certification question. Okay, HU is mandatory. Now we start to look into the system. Go to the AWM system. SPRO, IMG. One minute, sir. SCM extended warehouse management, cross processing settings. Hold on. Warehouse task. This one. Define process oriented storage control. This is the node. Okay. Cross processing settings, warehouse task. Define process oriented storage control. This is the node. Go to here. Here, external storage process steps and other setup is there within this. Okay. Standard external process steps are IB01, IB02, IB03. Standard IB01, IB for inbound, IB02, IB03, etc. For today, just hide this. IB01 for the unloading, IB03 for the put away. Standard in inbound side. This is represent the unload, this is represent the put away. Standard. But we are going with our own external process steps. Please don't confuse IB01. This one, standard. Say for example, external step IB01 is there. External means some internal process step is assigned for this one. There are 15 internal process steps are there. 15 internal process steps are there. These are not editable. These are not deletable. 15 internal process steps. If we see unloading IB01, UNLO internal process step is there. UNLO. UNLO representing the unloading. Okay. And go to the IB03.
Can we create our own custom internal process step?
No, that's what I am saying. 15 is there internal storage process steps. We cannot edit, we cannot change, we cannot delete, we cannot create. External, we can play whatever we want, we can play. Okay. See here, put away for the IB03. Maybe.
Sir, these internal steps are common for a whole warehouse, sir, either inbound or outbound or wherever you go. Transfer postings and all the things. These 15 steps.
Yeah, whatever it may be, this actually, these internal process steps are predefined or within the system, and those are hard coded in some ABAP programs also. And with reference to that internal process steps, we can see the directions also, in which direction we are going to use. Okay, now I am going to create our own external process step. We will get some idea. First, go to new entries. AULD is our this one. AIPL unload is my step. Now this is mandatory to assign a internal process step. This one unloading step I am going to create internal process. By default it is showing the put away direction by default. Okay, this one, say here, I scroll this. I am going to select this unload. UNLO is my step. Enter. That is unloading in put away only, not in stack removal or put away and stack removal internal movement. Some common process steps also available. Okay, those can be applicable for all directions. Put away, stack removal, internal movement. Say one packaging is there. One packaging is there. Say we are receiving some metal bearings or metal pistons or whatever it may be. Okay, they are in the form of handling units. Okay, and I want to cover with additional packing that handling unit also. Small boxes is coming. Okay, and ours is a old warehouse. I don't want to spoil that product. I want to keep in one cotton box. Keep in a polythene cover or whatever it may be before put away into the respective storage bin to avoid from some rupture or whatever it may be. Okay, handling unit in the form of handling unit, but I want to cover it with one more packaging material, means packaging that one. If I go with any process oriented storage control for that, against that packaging, I can select one internal process step. In that case, that can be applicable for either put away side also possible, stock removal also possible, internal movement also possible. Internal movement from one bin to another bin, I am moving my stock, but with packaging and etc. That is also possible. Okay, depends on the internal process step. We have the directions within this. Okay, this one. Now coming to our example, unloading is strictly for the put away. Strictly for the put away. Now APTY put away. Now I am going to select put away. I am not pressing. I am not pressing entering this and pressing this. What kind of directions associated with this put away internal steps? Any guess, sir? What kind of? Say unloading, the direction is only put away. Coming to the internal process step, put away is there PUT. What kind of directions we can get if I press and I enter that?
Put away direction only, sir. Same.
Any other?
I think the third one, I guess. I didn't remember exactly that entire sentence.
Okay, one sec. Directions you can see, sir. If I select put away, what kind of directions we can get?
First one, third one, and last but one. 1, 3.
Only one direction is there.
Inbound
Three
process.
options, sir.
Inbound process.
No. Direction.
For
We don't
final
have.
put away.
Direction is put away only.
Put away only. Okay. Any other? Okay.
Put away an internal movement.
Yes, exactly. Put away an internal movement. Why? Because say here one example is there. Some one storage type. I have products are there in one storage types. Okay, I want to move into some other storage type, but in between I want to pack that product and keep that product in the second storage type. Pack is one step, and for the second step is put away for the second storage type, right? So put away is put away and internal movements. Okay, sir. This one. Okay, just now I have created two external
Sir,
steps.
based upon internal process steps, automatically direction will be selected from by the system.
Yes, exactly.
Is that correct, sir?
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I am going to create these two internal process steps. Two external process steps now. Now I have unload with me and put away with me. Now I want to make this one a sequential set of multi-step movements. Sequential step. First unload, then put away. For that, we have one process called storage process. One terminology called storage process. Storage process. Within this, the first sequence is unload. The second sequence is put away. I am arranging like this. Okay. Where do we that? Go to storage process definition. Here. Yeah. Here one question. Please see here. One certification question we can expect. What is the mandatory to create external process step? What is mandatory to create the external process step? With this conclusion, what is the answer, sir? What is
Internal
the
process.
yes, exactly that question we can get. Okay. Now storage process. If we see these external steps are not maintained with reference to any warehouse. Not maintaining in this table, we cannot find out any warehouse. Means some external steps are available in the system. We can use in our warehouse according to our requirement. Okay, this thing. Now go to the storage process. Come to this storage process. If we see this table, what is this table? Warehouse level table. Go to selection by content, warehouse number, AIPL. Anything is copied from 0001, we can delete all those. I don't require anything. We are going with our own. Okay, I am going to create a new one. My warehouse is APL and I want to create a storage process ASP1. Okay, ASP1. This one description APL within the bracket APL IBD storage process. Here we need to have direction manually. We need to create the direction manually here. Unlike that external process step, if we assign the internal process step, automatically one direction is coming. That is at a global data level. But here storage type process is there. We need to maintain the direction manually. Put away. Come to this storage process. Press enter. Come to this storage process. Assign storage process steps. These storage process steps are nothing but external steps. New entries. Sequence number field is disabled. If we enter any value, automatically it is filling. Now, what is our first step? AULD. 1. Next step, APTY. 2. Okay, this thing. And say I am doing some continue process in terms of the POSC multi-step movements. Say after unloading, I want to get the next warehouse task automatically. After unloading, I want to get next warehouse process type automatically. So I am using this. This checkbox, another product or HU warehouse task one checkbox is there. Tomorrow I will explain along with the deconsolidation step. Okay, this duration we can check at the time of labor management instead of clubbing at this moment. Okay, see here coming to this storage process, I have maintained these steps in a sequential way, and after unloading step I am expecting a warehouse auto warehouse task for put away step. Save it. Now storage process is ready. Storage process is ready. Where we assign this storage process? In the warehouse process type. In the warehouse process type. Now define warehouse process type. Come to here. Warehouse number. Already 1010 is there. A, B, D also we are using. I am going to create one new warehouse process type to use this POSC setup. New warehouse process type to use this POSC setup. Go to new entries, APL, AISP. One meaning is there, APL IBD storage process. Okay, this one. Now here also one certification question. What is the mandatory to create the warehouse process type? Earlier we have seen. Just recap that. What is the mandatory to create the warehouse process type? Recap.
Process category.
Yes, exactly. Warehouse process category. This is also one certification question. And activity put away here. one warehouse order creation activity, it should be check one for inbound. You will get a clear idea during outbound POSC, this field. Okay. Now I want to use this. Warehouse process type for my storage process here. This one. Go to storage process. ASP1. And what is the first step within this ASP1? What is the first step, sir? In the storage process ASP1, what is the first step, sir?
Put away, right?
First
Away.
step, first step.
Unload step.
Unload.
Unload, exactly. Then what is the source for unloading?
Door is a
Door
Yes,
is
yes, exactly. Door is the source. So here we need to maintain the source and source storage type and source bin as the door. Okay, I am keeping aside this. One more question I am giving. I am asking, sir. As of now, we are using AIBD. One is there. AIBD, one normal warehouse process type. What is the source within that? See here. GR for that. That is normal process. Just goods receipt and put away. Not unloading and etc. In our case, source storage type should be door. What is door? Door is a storage type. Door is a storage type. Not yet we have created door. What is a door? Door is a storage type with the role door. We create it. Extended warehouse management, master data, define storage type, new entries, AAPL, AIDR, AAPL, IBD, door. Here, come to here, role, door select, confirm put away rules are general, minimum, we can go with minimum setup. Confirm stock removal. This much is enough. This is the door. Okay. Now this is the storage type. If I want to use it, at least one bin is required for us. AIDR. Go to LS01. AIPL. AIPL. IBD. Door. Bin. Storage type is AIDR. Now, what is the source storage type here? AIDR. What is the source bin is? Door bin. Save it. Got it, sir? Here any questions? Just we assign the storage process to one of our warehouse process type. Okay, within the storage process, we have two sequential steps. The first unload, then put away is there. Okay, so within this, the first is the unload. That's why we are giving as a source is this one, door storage type, and bin is this one. Okay, now save it. Next one. Coming to the process oriented storage control again. Go to here. Process oriented storage control. Go to here. Process oriented storage control. Now new entries. First anything is there copied from 0001, we can delete all those. Okay, this thing. Now new entries. APL external step AULD. What is the source for this one? Door bin. I am not giving anything here. Why? Because that is in our warehouse process type. Next, what is the warehouse process type we have created? AISP. Source here I am not giving. What is the destination? Again is this step. If this is the step, what is the destination? GR job. Unload. Just I am collecting from door and keeping the staging area groups, or nothing is there. GR job. Destination bin is this one. Save it. Now one general question, just think, sir. Anyway, I can explain. Say, put away external process step is there. Yeah, second one in our storage process. Now, is it required to map that put away external step here along with the destination storage type, the storage bins? Is it required to maintain those destination storage bins against our setup?
This is optional, I can say, because
No, it's required.
because already we have other JR process also.
No. Oh, okay. Is it required to maintain these steps here? That step, put away step.
So it is required, right? Mandatory.
Okay, sir. But I have 20,000 bins are there. Is it required to maintain 20,000 here? It's not required to here. Why? Then how the system can identify? Say one general question. Keep aside for 1 minute this. How the system can identify a destination storage type or storage bin to store a product within the EWM system? Say one product is coming. How the system is identifying? What is the logic behind that? What is the logic behind that?
We are making
Based
strategy
on the process type, yeah.
in the product
We
line.
have strategy.
Yes, exactly. We have strategies to our product so that can take care of that put away activity. So no need to maintain anything regarding put away step within this table. Okay, sir. Yeah. Got it, sir. Any doubt? Okay. This thing. Now, one more question. One more question.
Sir, sir, 1 minute, sir. Sir,
Yes.
here, if you want to make only one storage location for our product, then we can maintain, sir. Not required also. Means I'm getting one product. I want to store in a particular storage bin only, always dedicated bin, we can say. In that step, we can maintain.
Yeah, yeah, no, not required. For that also we have strategies, right? Fixed
Yeah.
beams or etc.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay. Now, one more question. How warehouse process type determined in EWM? This is a question. How many? Some couple of times we have discussed this. How warehouse process type determined in EWM into our document? How warehouse? What is the determination process for the warehouse process type? What is the determination? Now, just now I have created a AASP. I want to determine it. How?
Document type and item type of
Yes, exactly. Document type item.
but
Now, our new is AISP, new warehouse process type. I want to trigger this into my inbound delivery. Go to the table. Go to SPRO, IMG, extended warehouse management, cross processing setting, warehouse task, determine warehouse process type. Go to here. Warehouse number. This one. This is the table. AIBD we are getting against and INB. Now I want to get AISP also into my warehouse. But here this table 1:1 relation against one document type and one this one only. Now coming to here, one control indicator is there. Process type determination control indicator. Control indicator for process type determination. Warehouse process type determination. Control indicator. Okay. If we maintain separate control indicator to determine the warehouse process type, the meantime, the same warehouse process type control indicator we assign in the product master. That we can see. Define control indicators for determine warehouse process type. As of now, we have not used any control indicators. Our own, we can come. New entries. Warehouse is APL. A1 is my process type determination control indicator. Description is APL process type determination control indicator, like I am using this one. Now determine warehouse process type. Come to here. go to our warehouse. I and B combination. If my A1 is there, it should trigger AISP. Is it right, sir? The only difference is process type determination control indicator is not there. One sec, I will highlight both. This one and this one. This one and this one. What is the difference? A1. Same combination A1. So at now we can change our answer for the determining warehouse process type. Document type, item type plus process type determination control indicator, we are triggering the warehouse process type. This is the certification question. Document type, item type, and process type determination control indicator, we are triggering the warehouse process type. Okay, this one. Now, one more question. I have created the new warehouse process type. I want to get determination storage bins automatically. What should I do? I have created a new warehouse process type. If I use this new warehouse process type, how I can get the storage types and storage bins automatically in the warehouse tasks? Final storage types and storage bins. Any guess, sir? I am coming with another. Say AIBD is there already. If I use AIPL MAT1 or AIPL MAT2 with that AIBD, I am getting some destination storage types and destination storage bins automatically. How it is possible? How it is possible, sir? Hmm. Put away strategies, sir. We need to specify that. Sir, forgetting, sir, subject. Go to goods receipt process, strategies, storage type search, specify storage type search sequence. See here, what is this, sir? Process type. Okay. Some put away control indicators and warehouse process type combination. We are triggering some search sequence. Within the search sequence, we have storage types. So accordingly, system is determining the respective storage bins within that storage types. Okay, that is the logic. Now we have created the new warehouse process type. So if I want to use that, I require some strategy against that new warehouse process type also. What we do, just copy it. AISP, AISP, this one. Now this is okay, but how the new warehouse process type determine to our product? Just now we have created one process control, okay, process warehouse process type determination control indicator, right? There is a field available in product master. We maintain there. Mat1. Go to change mode. This one, sir. A1. Only one I am maintained. Now almost everything done. I am going with one test case. Again I will ask some questions, sir. We will discuss some questions. Not asking, we will discuss. We have one open purchase order, sir. EL31. Yeah. First here we can check. This one, right? POSC one. HU is mandatory. We have two chances to build the HU. One is that this one where ECC, and another one is inbound delivery for top follow-on functions, pack, etc. I'm going with here only. Packet. This also packet. Now the inbound delivery is distributed to EWM. Come to 11371. It's came. We know PPF actions is generated one, this one, inbound delivery. Here, sir, one discussion. MAT1 and MAT2 two products are there. If I open MAT1, which warehouse process type is triggered? We have two with us, warehouse process types. AIBD is one, AISP is one. Now, if I open this item, what is the warehouse process type? We can check.
A,
AISP, new one. If I open this, AIBD. AIBD. Why different warehouse process types? Means in this product, we have maintained process type determination control indicator. I will show you, sir, for better understanding. Go to MAT1. A1 is there. Okay. For this, MAT2. Nothing is there. Okay. That's why it is trying to create AIBD. Go to SPRO. Once again, we can cross check, cross verify, determine warehouse process type. extended warehouse management, cross processing settings, warehouse task, determine warehouse process type. Go to here. This is one. This is one. So for one product A1 is there, that's what it is triggering ASP. The second product A1 is not maintained, blank is there, that's why AIBD is there. Okay, sir? This one. Now, out of these two products, which one is subjecting to POSC? Means for the MAT one, we are triggering warehouse process type AASP with us. AASP. If we see the AASP warehouse process type, we assign storage process. AASP. See here, storage process. So that first product is subjecting to storage process POSC. The second product is not subjecting to POSC. That is normal only. That is normal. See here, no storage process. That is starting with GR zone. This is starting with door. Means POSC is there. So our conclusion is, say I have one inbound delivery, I have multiple line items. Out of those, some are POSC relevant, some are not relevant. That is also possible. But mandatory thing is HU. Okay. Now
So how to identify here, sir, actually, which are POSC, which are not POSC?
warehouse process type only this one. The next step we can do. Warehouse process type. As of now, warehouse process type. At this screen, only warehouse process type. Okay. At this screen. Go to follow on functions, warehouse task. Both are handling units. All are aware of this one. In this screen, this is the identification. Got it, Nagesh? For one, this process is there, another process is not there. For one item, process is there, one item not there. Now, say for example, if I try to create it, what is this? Door bin to GR staging area. Door bin to GR staging area. Open it. This one. Door bin to GR staging area. And if I create it, GR staging bin to direct storage bin. This one is direct going final destination bin. But this is multiple steps. If we see here, first step is coming. Door bin to GR staging. What is the second step? We can check. I am creating warehouse order for this one. Go to here. Two are selected. That's why two warehouse orders created. If we see this warehouse order is HU warehouse task. If you see here, this is one sec. Yeah, both are HU warehouse tasks. Okay. See here, first one. Go to warehouse order details. Source bin, door bin, GR staging, warehouse process type, this one. Step is AULD. Step is AULD. This is unloading warehouse order. Unloading. The second one, which is not with the POSC, we can check. No process, no step, nothing is there. No process, no step, nothing is there for the second one. Now, this is the differentiation at warehouse order level. We can find out either any step is relevant or not. Okay, this one. Now go to monitor. Through monitor we can do, sir. Go to this one. Monitor. 18212 is something, is ours. This one. First we confirm this one. Not required for us. We discuss what that is normal. Okay, that's gone. Okay, now go to warehouse task. Okay, now this is the warehouse task with us against inbound delivery. We see here warehouse process type AASP, process is ASPN, step is AULD. Step is AULD. Means unloading step warehouse task. This one means unloading from truck to keeping in the GR staging. Unloading from truck to keeping the HU in GR staging. If I assign this to anybody, resource, when it is started, when it is ended, everything I can track. Got it, sir? If I assign this unloading activity individually to any resource, I can track within the system when it is started, when it is ended. Okay, where we can see that? Go to here, sorry, this field, warehouse order. Go to here. Start date, confirm date. This one. These fields are there at warehouse order level. If I assign to any resource, I can analyze against this unloading step. Okay, this thing. Now, leave that aside. We will discuss that queue determination and resource management next week. Now, I am confirming this. Confirm. Refresh it. One sec. We can expect one warehouse process step. Next warehouse process step for put away. Already created, sir. Sorry. Go to here. Refresh monitor. Yeah. If we see here, door bin to GR staging I have created. After that, one open warehouse task is generated for moving that HU from GR staging area to fast storage bin as part of this step. Got it, sir? Why it is created means in the storage process auto warehouse task checkbox I have ticked against this unloading. Means once after unloading is confirmed, one new warehouse task is generated for the put away within the system. If I assign to any resource, I can able to find out how much efforts are taken to confirm this and etc. Start date, confirm date if I assign to any resources here. Okay, this is the use of multi-step movements. Okay, this also I am confirming and stopping for the today. Tomorrow we will discuss more and more and jump into the deconsolidation. As of now, these products are came in different handling units. If both are came in a single handling unit, one is going with fast, another one is going to slow. What is the step? First unload, then deconsolidate, then put away. Like we can discuss more and more during our POSC. Just please consider today's topic. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you for attending the session. Have a nice day. Bye.